It's been a chronic challenge in the construction industry, bringing new workers into the industry, skilled workers, to replace an increasing rate of retirement from construction in the commercial industrial segments.
Construction companies are sounding the alarm over a shortage of new workers.
So listen to this. Associated Builders and Contractors projects there will be a nationwide shortage of 400 to 500,000 workers next year. But tech could be part of the solution there, including something called the Jaibot.
Denver 7's Maggie Wilansky takes us to its first job here in Colorado at the National Renewable Energy Laboratory.
It's powerful, advanced, and smart.
Just sort of captivating.
It's not an employee. It's the Jaibot.
When they told me, I thought I was just going to go up and drill it by hand like I was used to, and then I came out and saw this. I was pretty amazed.
Nolan Broche
I like it a lot.
knows the construction drilling robot needs him to be successful.
I've never operated a robot, but once I got used to it, it's just like playing video games.
But instead of playing on a screen, this technology has real-world capabilities.
It usually takes about 5 minutes to drill 4 holes. It's just got to, go around and pick each hole it's got to drill, and other than that, it's pretty fast about actually drilling the hole.
The mastermind of the machine is Hilti.
We were the first to commercially launch a semi-autonomous overhead drilling robot.
This is Jaibot's first job in Colorado.
Depending on the operator and the conditions that surround it, most likely you're going to get anywhere from 150 to 200 holes a day on average.
And it's going well.
Normally, I would say you probably got 3-4 guys drilling out an entire floor, but it's just me and the robot drilling out this entire floor for all the job.
This comes at a time when the construction industry faces a major labor shortage.
We're probably 400,000 people short in the industry nationwide, and we know that that's an increasing number, not a decreasing number.
A human operator is only allowed to drill 4 consecutive hours in a day due to silica restrictions. The Jaibot allows us to get past that, where we can have it operate the full 8.
A successful solution.
Anywhere from 5 to 10 times more effective than individuals.
That's also a hard worker.
The robot's not going to get tired. It doesn't really need to take a break. It doesn't call in sick. So it's here every day ready to go.
Maggie Wilansky, Denver 7.